Hello, I'm going to be showing you how to curve text in Photoshop. Now, if you don't know how to make a text, all you have to do is press T on your keyboard, or another way is go to your toolbar on your left side of your screen, go down until you find the letter T on the toolbar. That's a toolbar tool. All you're gonna do is just left click on it, then it's ready to go and ready to start putting text. And then all you gotta do is just left click and then just type whatever you want. Um, I'll just name it text. After you finish typing, you can either press enter or go to the top, slightly to the right of your screen. You'll see this check mark. Click on it. You can click on that, and then that also does the same thing as enter, and you finish making the text. Now, after you made the text, all you have to do is click on it. You can click on the layers panel or on your canvas. You press Control T on your keyboard. This will help you transform your text. After you press Control T, you go to the top of your screen. And go slightly to the right. You'll find this little thing by itself. It'll look like a curved line with a little picture on top of it. You click on it. This will help you curve your text. After you click on it, it's ready to be curved, and you see this box on top of your text. You hold left click on it, and then just move up and down, and that's how you curve the text as like an arc or whatever. If you want to make it as something else, you go to the top, slightly to the left, below window and help. You see this thing called warp, and it shows a little picture, and it'll say the name of whatever you have it as. Mine is arc. Now you click on it, and then it selects the multiple types of warps you can do on your tool, on your text. Now let's say I want to put shell lower, then it'll put it as that. As you see, it's much different than the one that I was before. You can put it to normal, you can put it the opposite, or you can do it as the fisheye thing, the fisheye. And let's say you finished, let's say you got the right curve that you wanted to do. You can either press enter or just go to the check mark on the top of your screen and click on it. And that's how you curve text in Photoshop. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.